Welcome to 1311 Means Avenue. This charming 2-bedroom, 1 full bath brick bungalow with hardwood flooring inside, a Florida room, and a detached 1-car carport. It's located in Northwest Columbia, just off of Broad River Road, convenient to I-20, Harbison, and just a quick commute to downtown Columbia and Irmo as well. So we're out front. You see there is a nice sized front yard. You can see that it is pretty close to Broad River Road. On the right side here, you also can see that there is a carport sort of off of the left side of the house, left side. We'll see that again from near the kitchen as well. You do have a really nice architectural detail here in the front, as you can see, with the arch over the porch. Nice red front door. And then we enter into the house, and you can see there are some hardwood floors in the main living area. Those pretty much go throughout the property. This is a nice sized room. You have a ceiling fan in here, lots of natural light. There is a brick fireplace, wood burning, against that wall, the small mantle above. And you can see a beautiful arch there going into the dining area. But off of the living room, you do have some exterior space, sort of interior exterior space, and it is a small sunroom or Florida room here off of the living room. So you can see there's windows on 2 sides. You have a ceiling fan in here, and you can see the exposed brick from the back of the fireplace. So that's a nice addition. And then you do have some storage here on the other side, with just some shelving recessed, and you could possibly cover that with a curtain or something if you like as well, if you want to cover it up. Then the dining room, as you can see, you do have really nice high baseboard molding throughout as well, some crown molding also, and these really cool transom windows above the doors. Pre-air conditioning, those were used for air circulation. So nice sized dining room. You can see going towards the hall where the bathroom is there, but off to our left is the kitchen. And the kitchen is nice and bright as well. You have open cabinetry over the stove here, and some cabinets there down and below. Stainless steel refrigerator, and electric range here as well. And just some nice classic light fixtures in here that you don't see anymore. What looks like a washer and dryer or washing machine here is actually, I believe, the water heater. And then you have some cabinets on this side as well. And then access to laundry space right off the kitchen. So you have full-size washer and dryer connections in here. There's a little shelf there in the corner. And then actually one on this side as well. And then the back door here. So you go out back, and as you can see, that carport is just right over here on this side. So just sort of a metal roof, 1-car cover for parking. And then you have a nice backyard here as well. You do sort of butt up to a brick wall there for business, but it kind of works as a built-in fence. And sort of a makeshift, just sort of shed or covering there. And then you also do have another storage shed on that end as well, which is a pretty nice size. And the backyard itself is pretty nice. Looks like the lot next door, I believe, is vacant as well, so there is a little bit of privacy to that side and some fencing towards the back. Nice tree here as well. And going back up and into the house, so we're back inside, and again, we're back in the kitchen. So right off the kitchen, you see a door here in front of you that is closed, just to demonstrate that it is to a bedroom. So you have a nice sized bedroom off of the kitchen. You can see the door to the hallway. And you have a nice sized closet here that is open. There's some big cabinets above that have lots of storage space. And the closet does actually go back sort of behind the wall there also into the corner. So this is a very nice sized room. nice and bright, but again, it is right off the kitchen. So again, door to the hallway. And now we're in the hall. You have a bathroom to your left here, the one full bathroom in the home. You have some nice classic sort of hexagonal black and white tile flooring. And a single vanity, and then tile shower and tub. Some corner shelving on that. And then a transom window in here also, pretty much in every room. And a medicine cabinet there. And then on the right outside of it, you do have a nice sized linen closet. And then last but not least, your second bedroom in the home. This one faces the rear just as the other one does. It's on the opposite corner. And then you have a decent sized but much smaller closet in this room. And you can see again those floors do go throughout. So that completes our tour of this home, 1311 Means Avenue in Columbia. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.